What is the value of the expression 8 plus 4 inside the parentheses, then plus 24 divided by 6 and multiplied by 4? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this expression seems very simple, but unfortunately, many people get tricked. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. And the first step of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression inside the parentheses and simplify the whole expression to 12 plus 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 4. And the next step, they perform the addition between 12 and 24 and simplify this expression to 36 divided by 6 multiplied by 4. And the final step, they handle the division between 36 and 6 and write this expression as 6 multiplied by 4, which eventually gives them the answer 24. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression inside the parentheses and write this expression as 12 plus 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 4. And the next step, first they handle the multiplication between 6 and 4 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 12 plus 24 divided by 24. And the final step, they perform the division between 24 and 24 because they think division has a higher priority than addition. So, they simplify this expression to 12 plus 1, which ultimately gives them the answer 13. And immediately, they conclude that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a parenthesis, then an addition sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform all the operations strictly from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, first we go for the parentheses because according to the PEMDAS rule, parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. So, we can write this expression as 12 plus 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 4. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, it's really important to understand that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we start with the division between 24 and 6, which simplifies this expression to 12 plus 4 multiplied by 4. And the final step, we handle the multiplication between 4 and 4 because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. And this expression simplifies to 12 plus 16, which ultimately gives us the answer 28. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.